So when you start doing your dissection, you're gonna notice this big part right here. This big part is called your liver. The liver is separated into multiple parts. Each has their own name and is in relation to the sides of the pig, which is usually lateral and central, and then depending on left and right. Okay, so this little part right here, that's on the liver. Can anyone see that?
Yeah.
Yes.
This part was cut, but it used to be connected to this part right here, and it's called, can everyone see that?
Umbilical vein.
And it's called your umbilical vein. Okay. So as we flip the liver upside, maybe you want to move over. As we flip the liver up, we see this slightly green tinted thing right here under the liver. And this slightly green tinted thing is called your gallbladder. Bile comes from here. And directly connected to the gallbladder is this small, very hard to see little part right here. This little part is called the cystic duct. And on the other side to that, that's still on the liver, right here, is called your hepatic duct. And connecting these two parts to each other, the cystic duct and the hepatic duct, you have something called right here, which is called your common bile duct. Okay? And as we go on from there, we have these two pieces right here. This first piece is called your spleen. And as we move it back, we have this other piece right here, which is called your stomach. And as we move that back, this might be a little hard to see. You have this slightly whitish thing that's under your stomach, and it's in between your stomach and
Big intestine.
well, it's technically small intestine. And this little part right here is called your pancreas. Okay? So when we go back to the stomach, let's go back to the stomach. As you exit the stomach, you enter the small intestine. The small intestine is right here. This whole thing right here. And the small intestine is connected to the large intestine, which is this big part right here. The tissue that is found within the intestine is called the mesentery. The mesentery serves the purpose to coil the intestines, so as to, have a, what is it called again? Surface area. To folding due to surface area. Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, so, and when we move the intestines out to the side, and on both sides you'll see this and this, and these are the kidneys of the pig. So, I mean, that pretty much covers it.
Hey.